Aloha, I'm Helen with CoralTree Residence Collection. Today I'm at Makena Surf F305, a beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom oceanfront residence. Let's check it out together. Listen to the waves crashing from the comfort of your lanai. You can't get much closer to the ocean than this. Down below, the area right around Makena Surf is known as Turtle Town because there are tons of sea turtles or honu that call this place home. And there you'll see Po'olena Beach. Feels private to Makena Surf with beautiful, wide stretches of sand, an easy place to take a nice dip. The doors to the lanai open fully so you can truly enjoy the indoor-outdoor living that Maui is known for. Sit outside, enjoy the sunset, or sit inside and enjoy cooking with friends and family. And Makena Surf is one of the last properties on Maui to allow on-lanai barbecue grills, so you can grill here from the comfort of home. On property, you'll find an herb garden where you can pick your own herbs right here, bring them back to your residence and cook, make a homemade, chef-worthy meal. As we head back inside, you'll see the spacious living room, the fully equipped kitchen, dining seating for 6 inside, as well as the 4 outside. Relax in your spacious primary bedroom with king bed and full ensuite bathroom featuring a shower. The second bedroom features 2 twin beds that can be converted into a king and a private bathroom just off the side. The Makena Surf property is a hidden gem just south of Wailea on the island of Maui. This gated and exclusive property features 2 and 3 bedroom residences. There's something really special about this place. It's like a little oasis. It has 4 tennis and pickleball courts, 2 swimming pools, an herb garden, and access to the ocean right at your doorstep. There's even a Hawaiian sacred site known as a heiau on property, so it's got a really special energy.